So today is day 2. I'm all ready with my bag. I got the St. Lucia one, but it has the eye shade and blanket. I got the neck pillow and heading out. And that's the hotel passage. That's the elevator, and this is the inside view, but it's from the elevator. A lot of my friends got this view inside view. They had an additional charge, like $40 a night or something. So I didn't pay, or $60 based on your view. But we get to sleep. We get to come to room only for sleep. That's what everyone's saying. So there is no point of me to upgrade. I got the outside view. That's the hotel. Good, how are you?